Hey everybody, it's me, your starchy friend Oscar. Today I thought we would plant some seeds. I have some delphinium from the dollar store, so if they don't grow, it's not that bad. I have a pot, some potting mix, it's Miracle Grow, hashtag not sponsored, just the cheapest thing I could find at the garden center, a watering can, and some gloves. So first, you gotta fill up the pot. It's important to spill as much dirt outside the pot as humanly possible. You really want to make a mess as much as you can. Just get it all over everywhere. That's the most important bit. Now you just kind of want to smooth out the top, sort of smoosh it in there a little bit. Maybe this is not what you're supposed to do, but this is how I did it. So I'm just going to have to live with it if it doesn't work. I haven't planted anything in a long time. Now we're going to make little holes for seeds. Once again, not entirely sure I'm doing this right. Just kind of doing what feels right. I sort of followed the directions on the package of the seeds. Then we're going to put some seeds in. I said we're going to put some seeds in. I said we're going to put some seeds in. There we go. And a little more seeds. And a little more seeds. Little more seeds. Little more seeds. Yeah. And then you're going to want to cover them. The package said with about 1/8 of an inch of soil. So I'm going to show you everything but the soil. Then we just kind of brush it over. Hopefully we've covered the seeds. I couldn't really see. There was a camera in the way. There's the big mess I told you to make. I hope you made it. Hopefully. They're all tucked in. Nice and neat. And now we just water, I believe, is the next step. Yes, there we are. Uh, it's important to have good drainage so that, if I'm correct, you want to water and get the dirt pretty uniformly wet. I think if the dirt is saturated, you've put too much water in there. Like if the water rests on top of the dirt instead of sinking in, then you have too much water. But since this is the first time I'm watering it, I thought I'd just go hog wild. And that is probably it. As you can see, I think that's perlite in the dirt. It's a moisture retainer. And yeah, that should be it.